Hey, I'm Thomas from Blackrock, and today I'm going to clean up my Red Wing Iron Rangers. I have had these for about 6 years. Yeah, let's get started. Normally the first step would be to remove the laces, but I obviously already have them out, so we can just dive right into it. Since I haven't cleaned these up in a while, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of wipe them down and just kind of get the dust and debris off first before I go ahead and apply the Blackrock. That will kind of just help give us a somewhat cleaner surface. As you can tell, there's plenty of scuffs and scrapes. They kind of started to dry out. Some guys love that look, that patina aged look, and they don't want to care for their boots because they want to keep this. And I understand that rationale, but it's important to condition your boots every once in a while. If you don't, the leather is just gonna dry out, it's gonna crack, they're not gonna last as long. Our product will keep the patina, but it's gonna help hydrate the leather, restore the rich luster, and just make your boots last as long as possible. So the best way to apply Blackrock is just to put a little bit on your fingertips and just apply a small amount in a circular motion, and that helps the leather to absorb and get down in those leather fibers. This is the method that my grandmother actually taught me. It gets down in the fibers, rehydrates it. You can tell it's already making a difference, especially in those scrapes and scuffs, just the everyday wear and tear, but we're gonna maintain the life of these. The difference between our product and some other products, we use carnauba wax, and that helps restore the rich luster in the leather, and it also adds a layer of protection. We kind of think of as one jar does it all. It's gonna clean, it's gonna condition, it's going to add a layer of water protection, whereas you'd have to have multiple different products to do all those steps. One jar of Blackrock is going to do all that for you. You know, in the welt and between the upper and the sole, this is where dirt and debris is going to build up, and you want to just make sure you're cleaning that out. Once you've applied Blackrock, it's the entire leather article. I just take another shop rag and kind of buff the leather out. What this does is just remove any excess product that's on the leather, and also just lifts out the dirt and debris. The last step, I like to take a horsehair brush and just brush down the boot. What I love about a horsehair brush are these bristles are tough enough to clean off any final dirt and debris, bring out a rich luster to the leather, but these bristles are soft enough where they're not gonna scrape or scratch your leather. That's why I like using one of these, and this is one of my horsehair brushes that this just delivers a nice even shine. Now these are done, and we'll just let them dry for a little bit, and they're good to go.